Hey guys, this is Shannon with Nearly Organic Noshing, and I thought I would do a quick update on my giant pumpkins. As you can see, the pumpkins have just absolutely exploded. We had a really good rain last night after having temperatures this past week of over 100 degrees, and everything was just really wilted down. It's so blasted hot here, but it's almost 90. I want to say it's like 88 right now, so it's not too bad. And we had a really good drenching rain yesterday. So you can see just how huge some of these leaves are. This is pretty cool. I've never grown giant pumpkins before, and it is a pretty awesome thing just to look out and see all this green in the garden. And I know a lot of it is just huge leaves and vines, but it's still pretty to see bright green in the garden. And I do have one pumpkin, see if I can get over here to it, that has started, that has some decent size on it. So that is the beginning of one of the giant pumpkins, and I know there's others in here that are just much smaller, but there's lots of flowers, and I'm hoping that they pollinate and we end up with some more giant pumpkins. Lots of little tiny ones, but that's the only big one of any real size. So let me see if I can back up and show you guys just how big this whole spread of pumpkins are. So that's it. That is from one end to the other. I still keep trying to redirect the vines. I went ahead and pulled my onions to give them more space. They were ready to come up anyway, but I think I'm going to move a bunch of this weekend if I can, to give the vines more space to go. But this is just the update on my giant pumpkins. Hope you guys enjoy seeing it.